welcome back to another crafty video. I am here to share a Christmas card for the Christmas All Year collaboration that I am hosting. We come on every second Sunday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. And you guys, guess what? It totally slipped my mind on Sunday. I was up and I saw Sherry Moore's video and I was like, oh my God. I completely forgot about it. I had so many things going on. I was sick last week, so that threw everything off. I was trying to get a Christmas swap out the door, and it just totally left my brain. But I am here today. So all of the collaborators for Christmas All Year, please forgive me. Please forgive me. But I am here, and I'm going to share with you my Christmas card. But before I do, let me share with you all of the products that I use to put my card together. Also, don't forget to like up the video to help support my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell so that you don't miss another video. All right, you guys, so let's get started. Use this stamp set. It's called Rosemal Reflections Sentiment. This is a new stamp set from the newest collection by The Greetery. I also pulled out some Paper Studio adhesive gems. I use this die. This is called Rosemal Reflections Details die. I also used the Rosemal Reflections die set. This comes with a stamp set. I didn't use the stamp. I just used this banner die right here. I used the Capsule Basics die set. I used the Rosemal Reflections 3D embossing folder. I used Distress Oxide Abandoned Coral to, do some shading. I also use Galaxy Gold ink, and I use Brutus Monroe embossing powder. And here is my card. You guys, I love how this card turned out. I am in love with this card. Now, look at the colors, you guys. I wanted to do something different from your traditional Christmas color cards and things. Didn't really get a chance to do a lot of fall, so I did a play on fall colors but incorporated Christmas, and I must say I love how it turned out. So you guys, just check out that embossing folder. I followed a tutorial by the owner of The Greetery, and she shared how to put this shape card together. I used the Brilliance ink, and I just went over the embossed areas with that gold ink. I used the capsule die, for a shape for the card, and I used the Rosemal Details die. You guys, I love it. It is so pretty. And I followed the tips, by the owner, and I used a gold pen paint pen to ink up like the center of the flowers. Did a little bit of shading. You can see it here. I didn't do a whole lot, but I did a little shading. And then here is that banner that says Season's Greetings. I used some pop dots to pop up the little banner there. This is one of my favorite cards. I love it. And so I hadn't filled the inside yet. I just kept it blank. I hadn't put anything in it yet, but I will. And I'm probably going to go with like a cream in the inside or something. What do you guys think of the colors that I used for this Christmas card? I really like it. It's different, very, very different for me, because I usually like the soft pastel colors, and I just wanted to get outside of that and do something different. Here are the adhesive gems that I put on the card as well. And that is my share for Christmas All Year. Next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.